Ukraine-born tennis star Marina Zanevska burst into tears during a match on the WTA Tour after a siren went off. Ukraine-born tennis player Marina Zanevska has opened up on the panic she suffered when a siren went off during her match on Wednesday. The 29-year-old couldn't contain her emotions after the first set of her second-round outing at the St. Malo Open in France. Zanevska, ranked 75th in the WTA, cruised to a 6-2 triumph in the first set against American Katie Volinets at the 125 event. But she then burst into tears on the court after a siren that went off for a short period triggered stress and panic amid Russia's invasion of her homeland. After attempting to continue playing, despite being visibly affected by the sound, Zanevska lost the match 6-2, 4-6, 5-7. Zanevska, the women's third seed at the St. Malo Open, is officially a Belgian player, but she was born a port city in southern Ukraine, and she has since taken to Instagram, stating that the siren badly affected her game despite never personally experiencing a siren in Ukraine. She wrote, "I had very weird feelings today during my match after winning the first set. I have no idea why, but the siren was on for maybe 20 seconds, but it felt like forever. I started to cry badly. I couldn't stop. I haven't been in Ukraine since February 24th. I have never but it was such a triggering sound. My heartbeat was 200. I was overwhelmed. Usually, when I step on the court, it's my place where I forget about my problems. But here, it hit me badly." Zanevska looked set to cruise through her second match at the tournament before the siren thwarted her. Breezing past Brazilian Laura Pigossi 6-2, 6-0 and outclassing Volinets in the early stages. She has 37,000 followers on Instagram, using the platform to update fans on her professional and personal life. Currently living in Germany, she founded a Dusseldorf-based company named Savage Love Candles, specializing in soy wax candles and home decor.